Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix black camera on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to fix back camera, just simply open your setting application and after opening the setting, select the app setting and go to the permissions of the device. And after going into permissions, you will see this camera option into here. Just simply choose camera and then scroll down until you find the camera permission for Snapchat. Then if your camera permission for Snapchat is disabled, just simply enable this camera permission for Snapchat and after that your black camera into your Snapchat will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.